Next part is members app. How does member get to see all this diet plan? How can they log their exercises and how do they log their diet? Okay, so let's move to the third part. Your client downloads the same ActiveX AI mobile app, selects the country and enters his mobile phone. Enter the OTP. They get to ensure their details are correct and accept the privacy policy. Now once you have assigned them an exercise plan and diet plan, the client will see it directly here. They can click on download and it will open the same exercise plan and diet plan that I showed you earlier. If you have created AI based reports for them, they will see it directly here. I know it says AI BCA right now, but we're going to change that. It won't say AI. I don't want it to say AI. As soon as they log in, if you have assigned them an exercise and diet plan, they will see it here. If they click on download, it will open the exercise plan, the same PDF that I showed you earlier. If you have also created the AI based reports or AI based diet plan, it will also show up here. Alright, so the way it's going to work is, if you're assigning a templatized diet plan, then it won't show the AI diet plan. Okay, but if there is no templatized diet plan and you have created an AI diet plan, it will show up here. Okay, so this screen will change by the time you probably do this training. There is a plan to change the screen. It will definitely look different. This is where the client logs in. This is where you see the report. If they have more information, right now there's only one analysis, so I just see one dot on the graph here for the weight parameter. Then there's skeletal muscle mass, there is body fat, visceral fat and many more parameters. Go through all of this information. As soon as there is a second reading and if the client has an app, you don't even have to share the report with the client on WhatsApp, because they have it instantly on their mobile. But if completely up to you whether you want to tell your clients about this mobile app or not, or you can only keep it limited to your personal training clients. It's completely you. Once the analysis is complete, you will see all the details on the app here. Alright, now in order to get the detailed report and share it with the client, click on detailed report. It will create a PDF report and download it on your mobile or on your tablet device. Wait it until it downloads and then click open. Now this is the body composition analysis report. If you notice closely, the top right hand side should have your logo. The bottom of the report should have the name and location of your gym and the complete body composition analysis of the client. So go through this report, explain it to the client, and then if you want to print this report, you can click on the three dots. If you have a Wi-Fi printer, just click print from here, select the printer and it will print a report for you. So if you want to share the report with the client on WhatsApp or email, click on share, select either WhatsApp or Gmail. So I'm going to send a copy on my WhatsApp, share it with the client. Alright, so that's absolute basic what you can do with this app. Create a report and share it with the client on WhatsApp, email or printout. Okay, but if you want to tell them more about it, you can just click on any of these tiles and there will be more explanation for each parameter. So for example, weight. So the weight is 71.59 kilogram, which is well within the standard range. If you want to talk to them about their BMR or their visceral fat, just scroll down and you will see each of the parameter along with the range for each of those parameters nicely there. So visceral fat, my visceral fat grade is 7. If the client wants to know what is visceral fat, there is more explanation available for it. So it's the fat around your organs such as liver, heart, kidneys and pancreas. The increase of visceral fat will increase the risk of chronic metabolic diseases such as cardiovascular disease and diabetes, right? So if the client is in the high category for visceral fat, you know that they need help and maybe some sort of personal training to help them get their visceral fat to a more acceptable limit. Alright, So this is where you can tell them more about their report. All right, so once this is done and you want to do the analysis for the next person in line, just click on this sign off button next to your gym icon on the top right, and then you are ready to scan the next user and do the analysis. Again, just enter their phone number. If they are a pre-existing member, just enter their phone number. Their details will be fetched from the database, and you are ready to get started. All right, click on next and do the analysis. As it is, it will fetch their last recorded reading. So in this case, it was done on 5th of the 2nd, and then if you want to do the analysis again, click on correct button and get started. So that's how simple it is to do analysis on BodyPro BCA machine. That's pretty much the end of our training here. I hope you understood how to take the readings using body composition analyzer and then use that information to really create those personalized experiences for your clients. I hope this helps you really differentiate your services from bulk of the other gyms who are only selling access to the iron. But you are different. You are now pretty much like a health service center. You are like a gym that is driving everything based on data, creating those results for the clients based on pure data. Congratulations to you for making this decision and coming on board with ActiveX. I can assure you, you're only few of those gyms right now in the world that is at the forefront of this AI revolution. So welcome on board. I'm Ritesh and signing off. Thank you so much.